What is the average lifespan of an Insignia TV?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss an important aspect of your Insignia TV, its lifespan. When you purchase a TV, it's crucial to know how long it's expected to last. It's not just about the features or the price, but also about the longevity of the product.
What's an average lifespan for TVs?
Before we delve into the specific lifespan of an Insignia TV, it's useful to understand the average lifespan of TVs in general. According to industry reports and consumer data, the average lifespan of a modern television is approximately 5 to 7 years. Of course, this can vary based on how well the TV is cared for, how often it's used, and the quality of the manufacturing.
How long does an Insignia TV last?
Now let's get into the details about Insignia TVs specifically. Insignia, a Best Buy house brand, is known for offering affordable TVs. While they may not boast the premium features of higher-end models, they deliver reliable performance for their price. Generally speaking, the lifespan of an Insignia TV falls within the industry average. That means you can expect an Insignia TV to last about 5 to 7 years under normal usage conditions. However, it's important to note that lifespan can vary based on the specific model, how often the TV is used, and how well it's maintained.
How can I extend the lifespan of my Insignia TV?
While the average lifespan of an Insignia TV is about 5 to 7 years, there are ways to extend this. Maintaining the TV properly, keeping it clean, not leaving it on unnecessarily, and ensuring it's not exposed to extreme temperature variations can all help extend the lifespan of your Insignia TV. So there you have it. Your Insignia TV, like most modern televisions, should give you about 5 to 7 years of service, provided it's used under normal conditions and well cared for. As always, making sure to follow maintenance guidelines and using the TV responsibly will help you make the most of your purchase. We hope this information helps you understand and plan for the longevity of your Insignia TV. Enjoy your viewing.